In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remaster a song using Suno AI, and I'll walk you through each step to ensure you get the best results possible. Let's dive right in and get started on creating brilliant sounding tracks with ease. First, you'll need to log into Suno AI. Open your favorite web browser and navigate to the Suno AI site. Once there, enter your login credentials to access your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up, which is a straightforward and quick process. Once logged in, locate and open the song you'd like to work with. Take a moment to make sure you've selected the correct track, as this will be the foundation for all your upcoming adjustments. Now that the song is open on your screen, we'll move on to the editing phase. Look for the remaster option in the editing menu. This feature is designed to enhance the overall quality of your audio, bringing out the best in your music. Clicking on remaster will open up further settings that allow you to customize the sound to your liking. With the remastering panel open, you can start adjusting various settings like EQ, loudness, and clarity. The EQ, or equalization settings, will let you tweak the balance of frequencies within your track, enabling you to highlight or reduce specific tonal qualities such as bass or treble to suit your artistic vision. Adjusting the loudness can give the track more presence, ensuring it stands out whether played in a soft or dynamic setting. And clarity adjustments help define sounds, making each element crisp and distinct, which can dramatically enhance the listening experience. Before finalizing these changes, it's crucial always to preview the remastered version. This lets you gauge the effect of your adjustments in real time and make any further tweaks if necessary. Click on the preview button to listen attentively. Keep your ears peeled for any nuances that might need fine-tuning, and don't hesitate to go back and modify your settings to get things just right. Once you're satisfied with the sound of your remastered track, it's time to save or export your enhanced creation. Find the Save or Export option, usually located in a prominent area of the interface for your convenience. You may want to choose a high-quality audio format for better sound fidelity if you plan on using the track professionally. Save it to a location where you will easily find it later, and consider naming it something that helps distinguish the remastered version from other files. And there you have it. You've successfully